Hi guys! Welcome back sa aming channel. And for today's video, since it's a 2-day holiday, syempre, samantalahin na natin ang pagkakataon. Bumala tayo, ganun, charis, for the go, for the go! So for today's gala, our destination will be one of our bucket list, and that is Intramuros, Manila. Tara, samahan nyo kami! Ayan naman, as a passenger princess, trabaho na talaga natin na mag-video, ano po? Cheers! And voila! Nandito na tayo! Welcome to Intramuros, Manila! Intramuros is included in our bucket list because super ideal kasi i-visit ang place na to. It offers historical and cultural experience. In here, you can see beautiful streets, centuries-old stone houses, and calesas can be found around the place. Very Spanish colonial period ang vibe. Para ka talaga nasa unang panahon. Char! And nandito na nga tayo sa aming first stop. Our first stop is the Casa Manila Museum.
Dámelo 100.
Casa Manila opens from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Tuesday to Sunday. And take note, ang entrance ng museum ay located sa Barbara Heritage Restaurant.
Saan ba? Saan ba? Dito. Picture lang tayo. Ayun yung museum mo.
Ayan, pagpasok ng restaurant, may mga signage naman kayong makikita papuntang museum, kaya hindi kayo mawawala.
Mauna ka, love. Ha? Mauna ka. Ha? Mauna ka. Okay.
And tada! We're here! O diba? Napakaganda naman talaga dito. Ang entrance fee nga pala dito is 75 pesos for regular and 50 pesos for senior citizens, students, and PWDs. Before you enter the museum, i-check nila yung tickets ninyo and then a quick briefing about the guidelines of the museum. And remember, you can only take pictures. Taking videos are not allowed inside. And here's our captured photos inside the museum. Ano nga bang makikita mo sa loob ng museum? This museum features the lifestyle of a prosperous Filipino family during the Spanish colonial period. Ang mga gamit, ang syasyala!
Tapos mahulog pala ako. Tapos mahulog ako. Oo.
Kasi pangalawang ganun.
Yung pangalawa, ayan, punta ka na doon.
Opa, di mo kaya. May pa-human road pa yan. After nga namin sa museum, we went here sa Cafe Intramuros, located just beside Casa Manila. Palamig muna para may energy ulit gumala. Woo!
Hindi, dito.
At pagkatapos nga namin sa cafe, naglibot-libot na ulit kami around Intramuros. We are now here at President's Garden. Tinawag siyang President's Garden dahil, of course, makikita niyo dito lahat ng naging president ng Republika ng Pilipinas. Oh, di niyo alam yon, no? Charis!
Mamayang gabi pa sila mag-order. Ay. Paluwarte lang.
I don't know.
Sabi, Baluarte.
Golf course. From here,
Golf course yun.
golf course na yung nakikita mo. And then what do you call that?
Love, where are we going again? For food trip. Yan ang diet. Ang iniisip is pagkain. Wow, mani talaga? I don't know. Guide me. You're my tour guide. Because I don't know this place. It is my first time.
In the year,
Oh, pabida si ate.
In the
Kala
ear,
mo talaga may
wow.
alam.
Manila Cathedral. So, dyan kinasal si Sharon at Gabi. Na.
Pupunta nga pala sana kami ng Fort Santiago. But unfortunately, sobrang haba ng pila papasok kaya hindi na kami tumuloy. Quick stop muna dito sa Manila Cathedral.
Manila Festival.
At ayun na nga, napagod na rin po kami maglibot. Ay, kami? Ako lang pala ata. Char. So we went back to Casa Manila since dun kami nag-park. But before we went home, nagmas muna kami sa St. Augustine Church. Hay, sumakit talaga yung paa ko dito sa gala na to. Pero, worth it naman. Another bucket list unlocked. Yay! And that's all for today's video, guys. See you on our next one. Bye-bye. Mwah.